Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. Welcome back to another space engine video. Yes. Anyway guys, let's go. So, I just got a new setup. The old setup was in the kitchen of my house, so you probably hear like, dishes, stuff like that. But now, me and Brian got our own rooms. So it should be more silent more now. So hooray! So don't I have a lot of D, but woohoo! But where's Earth? Earth. Where's the right? Is that what planet is that? So what's that? That's Mercury or Venus. Venus. Should we go check out Venus? Should we view it or should we check out Mercury? Whoa, okay, that's just gonna make me feel sick. Let's go around the whole moon. Viewers, around the moon, around the. I thought I was stuck. For a second. Where's Earth? Earth, neighbor. Hello. My name's Hello. Oh! It's scary. Where's Earth? Where's Earth? Oh, that's probably Mercury. Yes, did it? That's Venus. Are we even still on the moon? Should go to Jupiter? Check Jupiter out. Whoa. OMG. What the? What moves this off Jupiter? Hitbox is a bit weird. Okay, just walking. Ah, need to see that. I want to go to IO. Let's search up. This is just actual name. IO. Yes. Go to. Okay, here's IO. Oh, wow. Okay, that's scary. It's IO on the first on the channel. Oh, off. Wow. It looks like it has an atmosphere. What the hell? I can't even talk. Realistic lighting. Whoa. Why did you just so? Does this planet have an atmosphere? Cause you can't even see Jupiter. Guys, should we play a game? Try to spot Earth. I think I got it. Since I know Earth appears blue. Zoom in. Yeah, see it's moon. See it's moon. Yeah, see it's moon. See it's moon. Yeah, I know. Yes. You look so close. Look how good you could just zoom in. Let's zoom into the moon. The backside of the moon. It's all on this little planet IO. Wow. Okay. What should we go to? Let's go to a random star. No, I mean G. It's G. Whoa! Does it only planet you? Yes, it does. Okay. Show me all your planets. Oh, let's click on this one then. Oh, okay. Is this another star? Another star. Oh, it's always planet stars. Nope, this one's actual planet. Maybe this one. Whoa! Oh my god! Ooh! Is this seas or is it surface? Does it have moons? Go to it. Does have moons. Whoa! Guys, but I saw this on YouTube. Let's go to capitals J1407 star, and you see the thing. Trust me. Star, right? The quick glimpse of it. And if we type in, well, it's a surprise. So I can't just click go to. What a surprise! If I click J1407 B. Wait, was it right? Was it right? Was it that? Forgot the planet's name. Oh. The biggest ring planet in the universe known to man. I think it's J1407B. Yeah, I think that's its name. But its star is called J147. That's it. And you can actually land on it. Look how sick this looks. Wow. I mean, that's cool. Rolex motor. Whoa! 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 Sheesh. Wait, why is the screen going weird? I'm not controlling this. Guys, help. I'm not controlling this. Guys, I'm not controlling this. No, no. Guys, I'm not controlling this. No, no, no. Why computer? Why computer? Why computer? Why? I'm joking. This is my plan. Is it like Guys, is it like sound? Is it like collision sounds? I don't know. But viewers, what did we just do? Hmm. It's all life extinct on Earth. No! Be gone, life, be gone! You're regaining? Earth does not deserve life. Earth deserves another Earth what is smaller to orbit right around it. Not in the safe orbit. Not in the safe one. 10 apart. It's even gonna work. Aren't even gonna correct. That Earth's gone. Okay, so is Earth still in orbit? I hope it is. Let's get Kepler. Let's get Stevenson 218. Where's Stevenson 218? And there it is, Stevenson 218. If we get a supernova, or is this far, will it reach Earth? Well, Stevenson 218, if it's supernovas, it'll reach us. Okay, it should be twice as bright since this is two Stevenson. Oh god, that scared me. They're already getting dragged. Whoa! See from here. That form black hole. Is there any like a supernova? I think Stevenson just turned to like a black hole. Guys, so what happens if we get a star smaller than the Earth? What happens if we get a star smaller than the Earth to orbit the Earth? Let's see. Slow time down. Slow time down. I like how that light just water on like the equator. Shut up, no, it's that small. If we slow down time very much, what happened if we go to Earth? Guys, if Phobos is bigger than that, I'll scream. Bit bigger than Phobos, but Pluto is like a champion. No, Pluto could orbit it. Speed up. Earth probably get obliterated somehow. Oh no, it's not speed up. Slow it. Is that Earth? Yep, Earth survived. Earth is star now. Whoa. Guys, look how hot that is. Guys, let's add the moon. Say like the moon is like a dwarf now. How big is? So let's be out Ganymede's biggest moon. Oh, is it bigger than the sun? No. if we do the moon like as far as it what? Okay, the moon's probably about this far, but to the Earth then. Why is it getting burnt up? Why is it not getting burnt up? Is it in the Earth? Oh! The moon's getting hot now. Oh! I think it's just doing that because it's probably in like the layer where it starts to like rip apart. But Earth is like a... Whoa! What was that? It was like a blue lightning. Okay, guys. Just... Are we seeing like the bands? Like... Yeah. If we crash... Let's make a Earth. Crash into it. What is... Say the wolf star, what would happen? First, let's save it like this. Save it to A. Just A. Let's do my name. A. Okay. Done that. And now, if we make the Earth, bigger, like, insanely bigger. No, go into the Earth, and then make its radius, the size of Jupiter. I think there's any chance to it. Make a bit smaller. Okay, it's a star now. Okay, guys, we can slow it down. See the phenomenon, whatever it's called. So it's Earth like whoa, but Earth looks sick now. Come on. And guys, from now on, I'm only going to do space videos. Maybe a bit of Oakwood, but I may a bit of different games. But all my channel is going to be like space now. Anyway, focus, guys. Focus on this. Focus. Whoa, whoa. Yo, you can see the Earth from here. Whoa. Wait, called a supernova? No, supernova. And it's still, but Earth's not a rocky planet. It's okay. It's Earth still in orbit? No. Hey, there's something in orbit around the Earth. This thing is in orbit around the Earth. What is that? Okay. What's orbit like? Guys, wait, what? What? Okay. We're voice crack there. We're in space. Okay. Turn down to God. Okay. Okay. We are almost there. Just kind of quick controls. What is is our record again? What was the record? Okay, speak that record. It was 754, right? Yeah, 754. Okay. Ah! Okay, let's get it now. Is there a different planet than Mars and Earth? No! Ah! Needle big. So at first I was like, what is this game? I was like, I don't know how to control it, but now I do. You can call me a sweat now. No, you can't. Come on, you can do this. You can do this game. You can do this, Rocket. You can do this. Do this. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. No. No. Ooh. I can't operate my rocket anymore. Okay, so just do that thing. For God's sake! Good job, capsule color. Wow. Whoa! Oh! Let's stick with pub for now. Nice! I didn't know you could do that. Okay. Right, and focus now. Now! Okay. Now! Okay. Now! 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 No! No! $700! Guys, this game is so stressful, guys. This game's so stressful. Oh my God, viewers. Go on. Okay. Yes! 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 We might be a record. We might be a record. Come on, BT. Guys, we're just gonna end here. Bye, guys.